Welcome to Fulcrum Homedecor. My name is Pallavi and I'm here to help you transform your spaces into homes. Today it's a tour of a 3 BHK in Hinjewadi. This is a contemporary home. This is a lot of fluid design has been used in this home and I'm very excited to show you how the space looks. Let's dive right into the entrance of the home. Of the house, you see that we've given them a show rack, we've given them a false ceiling, they've laminated the doors, everything just to make the entrance of the space look much more elegant and nicer. When you enter this is the foyer area. We haven't really done much apart from rounding off the false ceiling. As you enter the living space. Now in this living space, what we have done first is this beautiful false ceiling in this really fluid kind of a shape. It doesn't really have a shape, we just wanted something which is curved and not set and confined. When you enter, you also see this lovely wall paneling. This wall paneling has been made again with a lot of curves and arches, and I've added this beautiful stone wallpaper in this. To continue the paneling, we have covered the vanity in the shutters and the paneling continues on it, so it kind of looks like a wave pattern. For the TV unit, what we have done is we have housed the television unit. The clients wanted it here so that they can have a U-shaped seating. We've placed this big couch here, the window seating is another one, and the 2 chairs are yet to come to the side. For the television unit, we've given them a combination of open shelves, we've given them some drawers, we've given them a little bit of stone paneling, and a large platform to house the TV. There was a lovely niche in the living room, and what we have done with that is to give it an inverted arch shape and added the same wall cladding and a wooden little panel and a ceiling panel for the same. For the window seating, you'll see that we've again kind of played with that arched pattern, and we've also added a lovely wooden part to this seating here because we wanted the continuity of this entire room to be there. We did not want to confine in the typical rectangle or rounded shapes. It's a very flowy kind of interior. What we've done is also to elevate the flowiness, we have added this beautiful beigey top color, and that really adds a lot of volume and depth to this beautiful space. This is the master bedroom of the space. Because this is a nice large space, we've oriented the bed to anchor on the main wall. What we've done here is we've covered a window that was on that wall because the clients did not want it, and we've paneled the bed as the central portion of the room. We've also given them a wardrobe here with some bookshelves, and we have given them a niche covering which you can see in the short version of this video, and you'll find out what we have done with that. We've also provided her with a full length mirror with a few shelves so that she can use that as a dressing table. We have also provided them with a false ceiling here. Again, the false ceiling is not very large. It's only highlighting the bed area so that it kind of hides the lights and also gives a definition to the room. All in all, the purpose of this room was primarily sleeping, and that is being fulfilled in this room with all these things that we have provided. Welcome to the children's room of this house. This room is a provisionary room at the moment. They have a very young child, and that's why what we have designed here is we've made a wardrobe. We've given them a bookshelf cum puja unit right next to the wardrobe, and we've also provided with a beautiful console and mirror. This can act as a dresser, this can act as the baby's changing table, this can house all the baby's clothes, and of course this functions well when the child grows up. The child is a boy. We definitely wanted to use the color blue here. We've used it in a very beautiful golden pattern paneling over here, and matching to that, the clients have provided these beautiful curtains. The false ceiling has been kept very simplistic in this room. This is the guest room of the house. This is fairly a compact room, and we definitely wanted to provide all the necessary things in this room. So the first thing we've done is push the window outside like the other room. We have also given a false ceiling, but again the false ceiling drop is very minimal and only to a certain area so that the lights are very well placed. We've given them a sliding wardrobe since the width of the room was not much, so it kind of helps that. But the bed is a queen size bed which we have provided. we provided the bed with a tufted headboard to not take away from the cozy and the luxurious feel of the room. We've provided them with one large side table on one side, so just to facilitate sitting on the window seating, as well as having some space between the bed and the seating. We've provided them with a little television unit and a study table if needed. They will have guests occasionally, so this room is primarily going to be used either just for lounging or for watching TV or probably for study. Now above the study table we've given a full cabinetry, open shelf, so a lot of knickknacks, books, things related to their office can also be housed over here. We've highlighted the window seating with the color, and we didn't want to crowd this room, so what we have done is we've created a vertical paneling which is going from one end to the other side just in a U shape, and it kind of gives this room a little bit of a different kind of definition. Everything else has been kept very muted shades of a very pretty, subtle brown, not very overpowering brown, not very grey, and it looks very beautiful in the room. Thank you for watching. We deliberately have tried to make this video shorter because our videos become extremely long. However, I have focused individually on each room and the spaces, how we've designed and what was the thought process behind it. And we're going to be uploading those shorter videos in the form of shorts or in the form of reels on Instagram. So make sure that you are following us on Instagram so that you are able to connect and understand everything, and maybe you will get a lot of useful tips for your homes in such places. Our social channels are very open to welcoming you, so definitely follow us. We're on Pinterest, on YouTube, of course, do subscribe. On Instagram, follow us. On Facebook, whichever platform you are comfortable with. We are trying to upload it on all different platforms so that we reach the maximum number of audience through whatever we want to create. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, happy living.